thank you for taking the time to watch this video. What I wanted to do today is just introduce you to this great credit repair program that I've been using for quite some time to send my business loan leads that unfortunately don't qualify for funding due to bad credit, poor credit, or whatever issue that they're currently having. This program here actually allows you to start and build your own credit repair business under the entity of NWR Financial. Now, if you're just getting started in the business, or if you've been in the business loan industry for quite some time, like myself, then you know by now having a pretty much a respectful and cost-effective credit repair source to send your leads to is very, very important in your business. And I like this one because it allows me to build my own credit repair business, whereas though I'm not sending them to, Joe Doe, John Doe, and you really don't know what's going on. This one kind of allows you to see, the progress that your clients is making and building their credit report back up to essentially come back to you for funding in the long term. So I just want to take a few minutes to tell you a little bit about this program here. As you can see, it's called NWR Financial, and within their program, they have a membership called Financial Edge. And with this membership, it's sort of like a four-in-one service. It not only helps your clients with credit repair, but it also provides help with eliminating debt, retirement and investing. And then the Money Max here is to kind of teach your clients how to pay less taxes throughout the year, increase their savings over time, etc. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and break down each one for you so you can have an idea of what your clients will get when they get started with NWR Financial under your name, of course, so you can generate the commissions the same way I'm doing right now. So the first one being Money Max. They have a section here. So the program itself pretty much is designed. This section of the program is designed to help your clients pay less taxes throughout the year. It talks to them about. It helps them with setting up life insurance if they don't already have it. Structuring their business to reduce personal risk, and maximize on tax savings. How to properly budget money, tax planning, protecting your estate. They get unlimited access to financial planners and tax strategists whenever they need to speak to somebody, whatever they need direction on improving their take-home pay, if either they're a W-2 employee or they are in business for themselves. Whatever the case may be, the Money Max section will help them, assist them in a bunch of areas. All right, so that's Money Max. Credit Max. Now, this is the whole reason why I got started with NWR Financial. I was just looking for a credit repair program that could help my clients fix their credit score in the quickest time frame possible. So, good news. From what I've seen, it takes with the program. It takes our clients at least 6 to 8 weeks to see a good positive impact on their credit score after they get started working with these credit repair specialists. And company average, your client will see anywhere between 50 and 150 point increase on their credit report. It could be a lot more, but this right here is just company average, okay? And then here are the areas that they help your client resolve if it's causing any negative benefits to their credit score. So whether it's multiple inquiries, late payments, collections accounts, tax liens, judgments, they're going to help them remove those items in the quickest time frame possible so that the credit score can increase and they can get them back over to us, and we can resubmit them for a funding opportunity that's suitable now that their credit score is fixed. All right. So that's the Credit Max piece here. It goes into some other areas, breaking down the benefits, but I'll send this to you so you can look at it yourself. Equity Max, as I stated earlier, it allows your clients to reduce their debt with half the time it would take if they were doing it by themselves. So it kind of helps them set up a long-term repayment plan to get out of the debt that they're currently facing. So if it's mortgage, car loan, medical bills, student loans, credit cards, whatever the case may be, they're going to help them cut the time it would take if they were doing it by themselves to eliminate that debt in the shortest time frame possible. And with that money that wasn't used to pay the debt, they'll teach them how to put that into a long-term wealth account, I should say. All right. And speaking of which, the last section here is Wealth Max. So with the Wealth Max, it's all about improving your long-term investments, how to create a portfolio, and build up your family's financial future. So, I mean, that's pretty awesome, man. That's the program itself. This is what your clients will get when they sign up. Essentially, they're all signing up to get credit repair, but it comes with other different services as well. And I think that's just a great opportunity for any of our clients who are in need of fixing other areas of their personal lives. Okay, so that's the membership there. Let me just go into the back office so you can see what it looks like once you get signed up as a member yourself, so that you can start promoting this and getting paid commission. So this is the typical dashboard that you'll see here when you get started with the program. There's marketing support. There's tracking information. There's training almost every other day on how to promote this out there. As a business loan broker, you kind of have the upper hand because you already know. I'm assuming you know how to generate leads, whether organic or paid advertising, whatever suits you. But the program offers other training as well on how to generate leads in different areas. The calendar store. I mean, you get to go through all these things once you get started here. They provide you a capture page if you want to use that to generate leads here. This is mine. I'm just sharing it with you. But it takes the patient's, the client's name, phone number, and email, and it puts them into a email subscription that they'll continue to receive messages until they eventually decide to sign up, or they're no longer interested, whatever the case may be. So I just thought that was pretty cool to share with you. Here's another section here under reports. You can see all the customers you have and whether or not they're still active in the membership or not. So you'll get to see that as well. And then, as I mentioned, there's training opportunity all the time. But what I wanted to focus on is the actual commissions. I mean, this has to sound good to you in order for you to actually get started. So this is a quick video that I wanted to play for you. Check it out.
Like to get paid to give others a financial edge in life? Well, now you can, thanks to MWR Financial's incredible customer bonuses. To receive these commissions, you must be an active, qualified financial director. This will enable you to earn $40 on every Financial Edge customer you personally enroll. And when you enroll 3 or more customers, this makes your Financial Edge membership absolutely free, for as long as your 3 customers remain active. You'll also be able to earn a $10 monthly residual income on all the customers you personally enroll, over and above the 3 active customers used to make your membership free. But it gets even better. Each of your customers are given their own referral link, so they can refer 3 customers to make their membership free. And when they do, you'll earn an additional $40 bonus on all the customers they enroll through infinity. This means your customers and your customers' customers can help you grow your business and increase your income. With that said, your $40 bonuses are added to your daily pay commission reports immediately upon the completion of their enrollment. And these funds are transferred to your e-wallet 4 days later, after the customer's 3-day right of recession period. Your $10 residual incomes are paid on the 10th of every month following their second payment and can be viewed via your monthly pay report. With that said, you know everything you need to know about our
All right, so you get the idea. So every client you sign up, you'll make $40 plus $10 per month. So as long as they stay active in with the membership. So if I probably already didn't say, there's no long-term contract with this program. It's month to month. However, you'll see you're come to find, just as well as I did, that clients tend to stay long due to the services that are included within this program, not just the credit restoration, but these other features as well that I shared with you earlier. So if you do the math, I mean, it's $40 per person. Let's say you get 4 people a month, you're doing 160, and on top of that 40, so that's $10 per month that you receive. That's $40 a month that you're receiving month to month for the longevity of the clients that stay in. And again, they do tend to stay quite for some time, so you'll definitely get a benefit from that. And then, as she also stated, if you didn't hear, after you get your first 3 signups, the program itself for you is absolutely free. What you pay as a user of this platform, you pay $40 per month to utilize and promote this and build a credit repair business. But afterwards, once you get 3 active customers under you, meaning 3 business owners that are looking to get their credit fixed so they can get funding in the long term, your membership here is absolutely free. So I think that was pretty cool there, that they offered that feature. So I'll below this video I'll leave some more information. You want to check out the actual website, it's right here. If you're interested in getting signed up, let's talk a little bit later after watching this video. I'm also going to send a PDF of a credit repair and the benefits of your clients getting credit repair and how you can also benefit as utilizing this awesome program, MWR Financial. And yeah, if you have any questions, please let me know. Reach out to me and I'll be happy to assist you. All right, take care.